Now, let's talk about something very exciting: global communication. English is not only used in business or science. It's the common language for people around the world to share their ideas, stories, and dreams.
Does that mean people in other countries use English to talk to each other, even if it's not their first language?
Yes, Nusrat. English is often the bridge language. People from different countries, like Japan, Brazil, or Egypt, use English to communicate with one another, even if it's not their native tongue. Think about your favorite movies, TV shows, or music. How many of those are in English or have been translated into English?
I love watching movies in English. But I didn't know it could help me in other areas, too.
Exactly. English is the language of global entertainment. If you understand English, you'll never miss out on the latest songs, movies, or trending topics. And it opens doors to working in the entertainment industry, whether you want to be an actor, a director, or a screenwriter. English is also the language of digital innovation. Whether you're using social media or browsing websites, a large portion of the online world is in English. If you want to stay connected, share your work, or be a part of the digital revolution, you'll need to understand English.
So, if I want to start a YouTube channel or a blog, knowing English will help me reach more people?
Exactly. By knowing English, you can share your thoughts, ideas, and creations with a global audience. And the best part is, you can learn so much from others who also use English to share their knowledge. One more thing I want to mention: learning English boosts your problem-solving skills. When you're learning a new language, you're also training your brain to think in different ways. It helps you become more creative, adaptive, and open to solving problems.
So learning English is not just about the language. It helps with thinking too?
Yes, exactly. By learning new words and sentence structures, you are exercising your brain, making it sharper and more flexible. You'll start thinking more critically, analyzing situations better, and coming up with innovative solutions. In the future, many of you will take on leadership roles. Whether you want to lead a team, a company, or even a country, you'll need to communicate effectively. English will be your tool to inspire and motivate others.
I want to lead a team in the future. Will learning English help me communicate my ideas clearly?
Absolutely, Nusrat. Good leaders know how to inspire people, and a big part of that is communication. English will help you express your vision, listen to others, and unite people with a common goal. Now, I know learning English might seem challenging at times. You might make mistakes or find certain words difficult. But don't worry. Every challenge is a stepping stone to growth.
But sometimes, I get frustrated when I can't speak perfectly.
It's okay to feel that way, Nusrat. Everyone starts somewhere. The key is to keep going. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Soon, you'll look back and be amazed at how far you've come. Class, remember this: learning English is not just about learning a language. It's about building your future. Every time you learn a new word, a new phrase, you are shaping your tomorrow. The future is in your hands, and English will help you unlock your potential.
I'm going to practice more every day. I want to be the best version of myself.
That's the attitude, Nusrat. Keep up the great work, and you'll go far. The world is waiting for you, and English will be your key to success.